At CIMA Plus, we believe in building sustainable, innovative solutions that respect our past and shape our future. Our mission is rooted in collaboration, excellence, and respect for people, for heritage, and for the environment. The Rideau Canal is more than a waterway, it's a Canadian icon. At CIMA Plus, we're proud to help preserve its legacy. Our electrical and structural engineers worked closely to optimize energy use and enhance lighting without compromising the canal's iconic charm.
Our approach focuses on sustainability, preserving the heritage values, and improving quality of lighting along the canal.
We ensured that all light fixture installations met structural integrity and preserved the historic String of Pearls effect.
This is a landmark project that enhances the nighttime life in our city, offers memorable experience for our community, and contribute to a sustainable future.
Environmental stewardship was key. Solar management, soil quality, and wildlife protection guided every step. From nesting birds to turtle fencing, our team made sure nature came first.
All of this through our multidisciplinary approach, including our electrical, structural, civil, environmental, sustainability, and landscape teams.
Our landscape architects and civil engineers designed and reviewed every detail, from tree preservation to asphalt paths, ensuring a safe, beautiful space for generations to come.